You couldn't make it back in August. You had the fans believing you was being a father to your children. Okay, in a sense you were, but you pulled the wool over their eyes, so fuck if exposing you makes me the villain. Cause you think if my daughter was laying up in a hospital bed, I'd be posting her all over the net, reporting back to the king of the doc group like I owe him a debt? Fuck no! Hey yo, real, my daughter's sick, I gotta be here for my child was all that had to be said. But considering you're an open book and this is round 3, I wanna see how personal it gets. I'm the one from Scarborough. It's a fucked up place and y'all know. I mean, it's the home of Paul Bernardo. But you the one who share a trait with him. He the one who got a history with women too. He should have thought about that shit before he did what he did. I mean, he knows how these women do. I got all this dirt on dude. I got it from his ex when he dropped her. I don't mean dump the broad, I mean punch the broad. And you're such a fucking bird, you hit her with a sucker shot. She hit me with a DMX when I was like, Lord, give me a sign. Careful what you ask for, cause out of everything she told me, there ain't no sunshine. They said X gon' give it to you. Nah, we caught you slipping. Get at me, dog. I just hope that bite is as big as that bark you giving. I mean, you stole your ex-girl's daughter's bike like some type of Somalian pirate and sold it for a duffel bag? The fucking irony. Cause now she gets to watch me stuff you inside it. You make me sick. I usually create friendships with the guys I battle, but the dude ain't shit. How's Team Hami feel about the life you live? You surround yourself with honorable men. They say a bird of a feather flock together, but how? Cause you ain't honorable in the end. You's a little boy who ain't got his priorities straight. They said my arm's too short to box with God, and that night I was ready to box God in his face. That's what you call yourself, right? God? Okay, listen, get a grip on reality. You living with a split personality. X here got that Damien mentality, man. Come to your senses. Cause what's perplexing is you walking aggressive, talking offensive, but outside of rap, it's to the opposite sexes. I never pegged you as a sexist. Still, I brought a Holly Holmes type chick that night that was gonna show you. Not all women are defenseless. Do you get the message? Beating on a woman, it don't make you a man, boy. It fucking makes you desperate. Why you ain't pay your child support, X? Millions of men do it. What makes you different? Why the fuck are you so gung-ho for us, but allow your son to go in and out of the system? Okay, I understand, you're on a mission, but your son don't need a battle-rapping father. He probably needs you with him. So why are you so distant? It was never my intention to out-rap you. That wasn't part of my plan. I give a fuck if you think you the better rapper, cause you fucked up as a man. I ain't no bitch. Come test what I do with these hands. You getting knocked out for every child that you stole from for personal gain. For every ounce of pain you've inflicted on a woman, I'ma hurt you the same. That's headshots, working your frame till you screaming names like, I'm sorry, Evelyn, That's your ex, right? I'm sorry for everything I ever did. I'm sorry for laying my hands on a beautiful woman and stealing that bike from your kid. I don't know if you had a father growing up, X. Matter of fact, do you even know who he is? Well, your mother should have got him to teach you how to be a man 25 years ago. You're welcome, Miss Cameron. I finally did.